So guys, for the first step, you want to go to the link which will be down below in the description to download TikTok Live Studio. Once we're here, you want to select download for Windows. Once it's been downloaded, you want to click on it and then click on yes. You can choose the location where you want to install it to, click on options. For me personally, I'm going to keep it on the default location and I want a desktop shortcut, so I'm going to keep this ticked and then click on install now. It's then going to start downloading Live Studio. Wait for this to load. Once that's been installed, click on open. You can choose your language from the top right here. Next, you want to select login to begin. Then you want to log into your TikTok account. I've now logged in. You can get started with the setup or you can skip it if you want to. I'm going to click on get started. Just go through these steps which are most applicable to you. For me, if I ever do a live stream, it's going to be gaming, so I'm going to do gaming live. Select your microphone and then select your camera if you have one and then click on continue. It's then going to start optimizing your stream quality. Wait for this to load. It's going to test your network speed. Now it's going to test your hardware performance and it's going to recommend you an option that you can stream at. For me, it recommended 1080p 60 fps. I'm going to go with this option and then continue. You can choose your live layout. I'm going to go with landscape. You can choose whatever you want and then click on finish. Now once we're here, if you've ever used OBS, you can add a source right here. For me, it lets me double click to add a game capture. I'm going to double click right here. You can then make it capture any full screen game or you can select a game yourself from the drop down. I selected any full screen game. These settings are personal preference, so just choose what you want and then click on apply. Now in my case, if I start a game, it's going to be showing here. And there's many more options you can go through in this list. And to start live streaming, you want to click on Go Live. It will then start the live stream for you. And your live chat will appear here on the right hand side once you go live. That's how you do it.